Hello, welcome back to AJM Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to save a page to your account in Squarespace. This one's really simple. If you're looking for how to save sections, either to a site or to your account, I'll link the post here in the video. I have an entire tutorial on that as well. Okay, so to save an actual page, just beside the page, so you're on the back end of your site, make sure you've navigated over to Pages and hover over the page, click the little gear, and you're going to scroll down and say Save Page to Account. Now, I like to name this in a strategic way so you can find it later. So maybe you would want to call it like Homepage Design 1 or whatever. You know, like if you wanted to refer to it later. So however you want to refer to it, go ahead and save. Sometimes it takes a second. Then go ahead and log into whatever site you would want to add the page to. I'm just going to stay on the same site, but you can add it across any other site on your account. You're just going to go to your back into here to Pages, click plus, like you're adding a new page, go to saved, and then it will populate here. And the good thing is if you have a bunch of them, that's why I say to name it strategically, because you can search here and the search tends to work really well. That's it, super easy and saves us a lot of time. Enjoy.